Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Josué Alejandro Montevideo Marcos from the Faculty of Social Science and Humanities. And today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, the difficulties young people from ESCO face when trying to think work after graduation. The difficulties are, after finishing university, many students think it will be easy to find a job, but in reality it's not that simple. It's not that simple. Some companies ask for a lot of experience, which a student don't have. Others want very specific skill or speak people to already how know who to do everything. Because of this, many young graduates feel lost or not ready for the job market. Solution. First solution. The college could offer more internship and real job experience during the last year of students. This help students get practice and build experiences. Second solution, the university can give workshops to improve soft skills like communication, teamwork, how to do a job interview. This is a skill very important in the workplace. Finally, teacher and career of the school help the student make a strong CPS and connect with company this company. And finally, in conclusion, finding a job after graduation is not always easy for a school student, but with more practice, support, and preparations, it's impossible to improve this situation. Thank you.